I'm Howard Williams with the Land Truck Center. Today we're here to show you a new FTR crane and dump combination package that we have built for a Florida municipality off of the Florida Sheriff's Association contract. If you'll follow me, we'll look at the truck all the way around. You see our strobes on the flashers. If we back up this way and look up, the bracket on the roof is a custom design. It gives us 6 inches of clearance above the cab for the strobe, and it's attached with factory bolts, and there's no hole drilled in the roof. We run the wiring down and bring it underneath the bottom of the cab. The strobes are switched off with one switch, and we use a factory switch right here in the upper corner for the strobes right here. We also have the flush mounted backup camera right in the middle, and showing here, of course, I'd have to have the truck running and in reverse for you to see it. We have a switch here on the dash that controls off and on function for the 3,000 watt inverter that's mounted inside the cab on the back package tray. That way they can charge whatever they need to, and it'll be out of the weather. The dump mechanism control is here in the cab for the cable, so they can stand out and see what they're doing. We have the main feature of the truck is this 561 Ferrari A2 Knuckle Boom Crane. It's 5,535 pound capacity at about 8 to 10 feet off the side of the truck. You have, at 20 feet out, you have right at 2,000 pounds. It has a 35-foot reach, and at 35 foot, I believe the capacity on it is 900 pounds. Now then, the crane and the dump, if you're wondering what the big tank is, we put a 35-gallon hydraulic reservoir to keep the oil for both units in one system. Okay. The dump body, as you can see, has a fold-down side. It's a 16-foot contractor dump. 14-inch here. The headboard is custom. The tarp is mounted, protected inside the top of the headboard. You see the ground control for it. The truck has a 50-gallon fuel tank and 2 24-inch toolboxes. You have the option, if you need a 100-gallon fuel tank for long range on this truck, we lose one of those 2 toolboxes. That's an option. The variation between a 50 or 100-gallon tank is no additional charge by the factory. They give us that option. The package also includes a combination ICC and trailer hitch, as you can see. If you notice the little round circle, that's the camera, and that's actually mounted inside a piece of steel tubing in a case, so that it's a dump truck. It's going to get abused. Hopefully the camera will survive for 10 years. The combination pintle is available. In this case, you have just a standard pintle. This truck is rated at 6,000 pounds trailer with a full load. You can take a heavier trailer load if you carry less inside the truck. This side, you see the 48-inch toolbox, and from here at this angle, you can see how the strobe flashlight is actually mounted to the roof, and you see the wiring coming down the side. Thank you for watching our